Welcome back to the Electrician's 2 channel. Today we have on the bench the EXTECH GX900 true RMS graphical multimeter with Bluetooth capabilities. This multimeter hit the market for sale April of 2014 at a list price of $654.50. This multimeter has since been discontinued, according to T Equipment. But this multimeter, and also this multimeter, if you look at this multimeter, look at the way the soft keys are positioned, the shape of the multimeter, the size of the multimeter, just everything, all of the features of the multimeter. It's a direct clone of the Fluke 287, 289 series graphical multimeter. Nonetheless, I'm going to go, and this is just my opinion, I'm going to go as far as saying this is the best clone to the Fluke 287, 289 series multimeter on the market. This is a very high quality meter. You don't see or hear much about this meter. I believe there's only about 2 videos on YouTube about this meter. I can't think of another guy's name, but if you punch in EXTECH GX900, you'll see a previous video of me, of my channel, and another guy's channel on there about this multimeter. And I gotta say, both of them are very nice videos. Now, but this is one of the best. There are a lot of clones out there, the Fluke 287, 289, but this, to me, this is the best. Let me just tell you about some of the features that's on this multimeter. Say the GX900 is a true graphical multimeter with Bluetooth, which transmits key electrical readings to Android mobile devices. Well, I don't think that they have an app on Apple at the moment. So the only thing you can use this for is Android. I'm not saying that if they had an app, app out for this multimeter, that it won't work with the Apple app. It's just that I haven't tried it, but I do know it works with the Android. Also, they said the GX900 measures AC/DC current and voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, duty cycle, conductance, RPM, ACV bandwidth, and diode continuity. The GX900 features a 50,000 count display with bar graph, a free Android app, data logging to 2,500 readings, Windows software, peak hold, min-max average modes, relative, duty factor, data hold, automatic data hold, and auto power off. The meter has a Cat 4 600 volt safety rating and comes with double molded test leads. Now, the test leads here, top of the line, they are very high quality, and they come with this multimeter. Now, these are original EXTECH test leads, the original ones that come with it. I don't have them, they're around in one of my drawers here, but one of my 2 drawers here. But nonetheless, those meters are very high quality. The insulation on them are really thick. They're made where you can switch out certain different accessories to it. But this multimeter, these leads are top notch. The probes on the side also EXTECH, and they're fused test probes by EXTECH, as well as alligator croc clips. Now, they're saying that, hold on 1 second, let me check on. Now, also, they said, let me get back to where I was. It comes with rating comes with double molded test leads, a hanging strap, Type KB wired temperature probe, PC software user manual, and it takes 6 AA batteries to get this thing running, and a 1-year warranty. Also, let me go with the manufacturer specifications. Let me get some. They say the DC current range is 0.01 microamp to 20 amps. The DC voltage range is 0.001 millivolts to 1,000 volts. Resistance range is 0.001 ohm to 50 mega ohms. I'm reading off the paper here with the specs. They say capacitance range 0.001 nanofarad to 10 microfarads. Frequency range is 40 hertz to 10 kilohertz. AC voltage range 0.001 millivolts to 1,000 volts. And it takes, I think I mentioned that, it takes 6 AA batteries to power this meter up. The accuracy is 0.05%. The duty cycle 0.1 to 99.90%. Continuity and diode test is 3.2 volts. And AC current range 0.01 microamp to 20 amps. I think I said that already. Temperature is -58 to 1,832 Fahrenheit. That'll be -50 to 1,000 Celsius. Dimensions of this meter: the height from bottom to top is 4 1/4 inches. Dimensions, it's the width. The width from side to side is 4 1/4 inches. The dimension height is 9 1/4 inches high, and the dimension for its depth from front to back is 2 1/2 inch. The dimensions all the way across altogether is 108 by 235 by 63.5 millimeters. That's the width, height, and dimensions. The depth. Okay, this is the technical specs. They said, let me see, maximum voltage, I said that already, it's 1,000 volts. Maximum DC is 1,000 volts. Maximum current AC is 20 amps. Let me see. Also, you get a calibration certificate with this NIST calibration certificate. And this meter was made in China. Overall, I love this meter. And this meter has a lot of good features. Let me just pull you in a little bit closer so you can take a closer look at the... All right. There we go. Amps AC DC, milliamps AC DC, microamps AC DC, RPMs, hertz, duty factor, resistance, continuity, capacitance, and diode. Temperature, millivolts AC DC, volts DC, and volts AC. And you have the off selection on both sides. Top, the soft keys. You have min-max feature up here, min-max average feature up here. Hold the backlight, which goes in, you can make it brighter, and I'll show you that in a minute. And you have an info button, which is something that the flute has, and I'll show you that. Let me back up a little. But before we do it, I'm gonna just show you everything else. And then you have a menu, just like the Fluke. If you have a Fluke 287 or 289, this meter is you can see they copied off of the Fluke 287 and 289. Even where the keys are located, soft keys are located in the screen, and it has a color screen. So now let me back up some so I can show you this. This is the backlight. You can go from 2 settings. That's brighter, if you choose to have it brighter, and the other one was a low and high. That's the only 2 that it has. You can set it up if you like. It does just like the Fluke would do. Let me see if I bring it in. You can see. Okay. You can go exit, or you can go choose the one you want. The cursor right here. Go across any one you want, and exit out of that. Let me come to the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys the, where are we? Okay, the menu. Same thing. You use the cursor right here. You want to go to relative or duty factor, peak, crest hold, or low pass filter. That's duty cycle, low pass filter. You just set it up. So you want to get out of there, you go there. Then you can save whatever you record, save memory, or, and let me see what else, range. Let's go manual and just see what it says. The range 5,000, 50,000, 50,500, or what is this? It's 1,000 over there. So it has a lot of features on it. A lot of them, like I say, even the meter itself is similar to the Fluke of the Fluke 287, 289. The rubber, let me pull you out something so you can see. The rubber housing right here is really quality made. It's really thick. The meter is heavy. It's a heavy meter. I want to say, I can't remember the pound because I didn't weigh it. I weighed it before. I want to say maybe 2 pounds. I want to say 2 pounds. I may be wrong, but my mind telling me 2 pounds when I weighed it before. It's a very nice meter, and I don't have anything bad to say about this meter. And you can have real time data logging. You have the date. Today's date is the 21st. That's what I have at the top. You have the time, and you have your bar graph at the bottom. And remember, like I just mentioned, it has a color screen. So I'm gonna dim the screen a little bit so you guys could kind of see it. I know how it is when something is just bright and you can't see it. Also, let me get into the info that shows you there. The info. Let me get back closer. All right. And it shows you if what each key is for. That's the menu, soft key labeled, whatever. Save, soft key label save, accesses, the memory. And it just tells you the definition of each, whatever you're trying to find. So let me go down some. Okay, no, I'm going to say go next. Okay, go to the next one. And it's got the range button, it switches the range manual, and the setup keys it tells you about. Go to the next one. Oil indicates the, well, you get the point. But this meter is a very nice meter. I love it. I do. I do. And you may find one on eBay. I can almost assure you that once I release this video, and now you're getting a closer look at this meter, whoever, the price going to go up. I know, I think I saw it on eBay. I've seen a few on eBay. Let me see the price. For $400. I have a feeling it's going to go up now. But anyway, if you run across this meter and it's a good price, good condition, I wouldn't hesitate to get it. I truly believe that, Fluke is a household name. I get that. This meter is, remember, this came out after Fluke. Fluke came out around 2000, what? I want to say 7, 8, 9, something like that. And something like that. And but if you run across this, meter and it's a good price, good condition, you won't go wrong and you won't regret it if you were to purchase it. Now, guys, that's all I have to say. I want to thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll meet here next time when the next video comes out, hopefully soon. But don't forget to hit that like button. Well, you know what to do. just support the channel. You know, and you can do that by hitting the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, share your comments and all. You know, share the video. You guys take care. See you later.